Earlier this year, OnePlus gained attention with the OnePlus Open, and now they're hoping to make a similar impact with their newest top-tier phone, the OnePlus 12. As you probably know, OnePlus is famous for being really good at making batteries and charging technology. So with the OnePlus 12, these two things are some of the best features it has. If you buy the OnePlus 12, you'll get super fast charging and a really big battery. So based on the information we have, it seems like the battery life and charging speed are going to be awesome. The OnePlus 12 is first being released in China and later it will be available worldwide. This is important to note because sometimes there are slight differences in OnePlus phones depending on where you buy them. For instance, the OnePlus 11 in the US had 80-watt charging, while in other parts of the world it had 100-watt charging. OnePlus has been making their phone batteries bigger with each new model. The OnePlus 10 had a 4,800 mAh battery, and the OnePlus 11 got even bigger with a 5,000 mAh battery. Now the OnePlus 12 has an even larger 5,400 mAh battery. It's surprising how they fit so much battery in such a slim phone. This should mean better battery life, especially with a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that makes the phone efficient and powerful. The OnePlus 12 doesn't have faster wired charging than the OnePlus 11, both at 100 watt. That means it can fully charge in 26 minutes. But now the OnePlus 12 has wireless charging at a super fast 50 watt, a feature the previous models didn't have. With this, the phone can go from 1 to 100% in just 55 minutes. Yes, the OnePlus 12 can do something cool. It can charge other devices wirelessly at 10 watt. This is fast enough to charge things like wireless earbuds or another phone. The OnePlus 12, being a top-notch phone, comes with super fast 100-watt charging. This time, OnePlus also added something we missed before: wireless charging at a speedy 50 watt. They increased the battery size to 5,400 mAh, the biggest ever in a OnePlus phone. And with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, it should last longer on a single charge. What do you think about the OnePlus 12 battery and charging? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.